are K&R Design and Travel, and we are glad that you have joined us for this video. We focus on a variety of travel adventures, tours, inside reviews, as well as several series on digital design using Canva and other fun sources. If you are new to our channel, would you consider subscribing? We would love to have you and couldn't do it without you. Stay tuned for our next adventure or tutorial. God bless. For watching. If you liked what you saw and you want to continue to have exclusive footage of travel content, would you consider subscribing to my channel? I appreciate the time that you took to watch this video, and I'm thankful to have you a part of my travel community. God bless y'all.